Hey, it's Jonas, and right now, as you can see, the camera is in a bag, because it's a little blurry. There's my hand. So, right now I'm in the pool, the tub, and those are my piggies. Then, okay, so since I'm in the tub, I put a bag for my camera, because I don't want it to splash and then get it all wet. So, yeah, I'm just gonna show you all the webkins that are in here, and what's their names, and boy or girl. So this is Chick. Used to be my brother's, but then he gave it to me, and he's a boy, brown dog. This is Hannah, and she's a girl, and she is a tawny pup, and she is from Milwaukee. And oh yeah, this one I think is from a Hallmark. Yeah, Hallmark. And then this one is, I think, from a Hallmark. The Romans. It's a boy, and his name is Gonzo. Oh yeah, and this one is here, let me check. Tag. See? I think, I forgot what he called it, whatever. Gonzo does. This is Rose, my pink poodle, Wilkins pink poodle. She's a girl. This is one of my brother's webkins. Yes, brothers, and brothers gave my account, so these guys are all mine. This one is Freddie, boy, and Cocker Spaniel. And this one is Maple, Basset Hound, I think, and he's a boy, Wilkins Basset Hound. So those are all the webkins inside the pool party. Then those guys out there, that one is my lamb. I got it for Easter, from the Easter Bunny, and her name is Fizcake. That right there is Aflac, and that is Princess Bubblegum. That's Blueberry, and then that is Spitz. So then, yeah, those are the webkins and the webkins pool. Here, I already got it zoomed in on accident. The silver is hooked to here. So you can grab webkins without getting my hand away. That was my dad just watching football right now, since the Packers are on, favorite team. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.